This is the ultimate Binondo food trip guide of 2024, and here are the top 10 places around Ongpin that you have to try. Hey Matches! Shanghai Fried Siopaw talaga yung di pwedeng ma-miss when you're in Binondo. It's unique, affordable, and syempre masarap. It's the perfect way to start your food trip. Katabi pala nito yung Oshikon, so why not grab their famous Bicho Bicho while you're here? Quick stop muna tayo sa Salazar Bakery. It's not as famous as Eng Bitin among Filipinos, pero mas sikat to among locals sa Binondo, and my family's personal favorites are their hopia and ready-to-eat tikoy. If you've been following me for a while, then you should already know na favorite namin ng boyfriend ko yung Waying fast food. Nag-order lang kami sa takeout store nila, and their must-try item is their fried wonton. Panalong-panalo to sa mga kasama ko sa tour. The best talaga yung crispy and juicy na wonton na to. Our next stop is fairly new to Binondo kasi meron ng grilled skewers si Veggie Select. May grilled vegetarian sausage, tofu, and rice cake. Everyone had their favorites, so you should try them all. May pagka-spicy to ng konti, so buti na lang may sugarcane juice to sa tabi for a very cold and sweet drink. Natsyempohan namin yung freshly made hopia cubes sa Baker's Fair, and I feel like this is the only place in Binondo where you can get freshly made hopia na mainit-init pa. Tatawid lang tayo papuntang Lord's Toast Bakery for the smoothest custardy egg tarts ever. Tapos napaupo kami ng saglit dito kasi may konting seats and aircon before heading to our next stop. A Binondo tour isn't complete without visiting the Eng Bitin flagship store. Ang dami na palang products ni Eng Bitin, tapos nandito din yung sikat na fried xiaolong pao nila. Sayang lang na mahaba yung pila kaya